Why most insurance estimates are underpaid. Most contractors assume underpaid insurance estimates are caused by bad adjusters or random mistakes. In reality, underpayment is systemic. It's built into how insurance claims are handled. Here are the real reasons it happens. First, claims are treated as cost centers. Insurance companies are businesses. Claims are expenses, not neutral events. From adjusters to management, the internal pressure is always to control how much is paid out. That doesn't mean every adjuster is acting in bad faith, but the system itself is designed to contain cost, not to maximize scope accuracy. Second, estimating platforms reflect baselines, not job reality. Carrier estimates are built on standardized pricing models. Those models are meant to create consistency, not to reflect the full complexity of real jobs in real conditions. The result is predictable. Estimates often look complete on paper, but fall short once actual labour, sequencing, and job conditions are considered. Third, speed is prioritised over precision. Adjusters work under heavy workload pressure. The system rewards closing files quickly, not scoping them perfectly. When speed is the priority, detail suffers. Scopes become surface level, and anything that requires extra justification is more likely to be left out. Fourth, policy language becomes a barrier. Coverage decisions are filtered through complex policy interpretation. Most homeowners, and even many contractors, don't fully understand what can be challenged and what truly cannot. That knowledge gap allows underscoped claims to pass as policy compliant, even when scope accuracy has not been fully tested. Fifth, there is distance from the field. More claims are now reviewed remotely. When decisions are made without first-hand field context, estimates default to conservative assumptions instead of real-world execution needs. Sixth, internal friction discourages corrections. Even when underpayment is recognised, there are often approval layers and documentation hurdles to make changes. The system favours consistency and containment. Correcting underpayment requires extra effort, and systems tend to discourage friction. Seventh, most homeowners never question the scope. They assume the insurance estimate is final. Without a professional review process, underpayment often goes unchallenged, not because the estimate is correct, but because no one applies pressure to reassess it. The bottom line is simple: underpaid estimates are not accidents. They are the natural outcome of how claim systems are structured, cost control, standardized pricing, workload pressure, and policy complexity all combine to produce conservative scopes. That is why contractors who rely solely on carrier estimates consistently leave revenue on the table, and that is why having a structured supplement process matters, especially before storm volume hits.